How to fix WhatsApp chat backup loading or stuck while uploading to Google Drive. So if you want to fix your WhatsApp chat backup loading or stuck while uploading to Google Drive, then what you need to do is tap and hold on to that WhatsApp application, go with the app info, tap on storage and cache, and go with clear cache. And once you clear your cache, you need to go back and you just need to simply go with your network connection. Like if you're using your Wi-Fi, then you just need to simply switch to your mobile network. And if you're using your mobile network, you need to switch to your Wi-Fi. Once you've done that, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then open up your settings. Now go with search. Under search, you need to simply search for reset. And under reset, you need to go with reset Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth. And go and reset your Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth. And after resetting, you just need simply restart your device. Tap and hold on to that power button, or press and hold on to that power button and restart. And after that, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your WhatsApp chat backup loading or stuck while uploading to your Google Drive. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.